All right, in today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to take your company documents and turn them into useful training. There are a plethora of ways. We're going to look at one using NotebookLM as your tool. So I am in the NotebookLM home screen, as you see. I'm going to click Create New. Then it's going to ask me if I want to search the web for resources or drop my files. And I want to use my own files because I have an audit report here that I want to use. So we're going to upload that. And then it asked me what question I want to ask. So you see they've loaded the information here. And the next thing I want to do is copy in a prompt. So I'm asking it to create an interactive decision tree for each scenario. And then I'm going to press the submit button. You see it says we're looking for answers, initiating the analysis, defining. So it is in the process of trying to create what it is that I need. So let's take a look. So we have some scenarios here. If you are interested in forklift operation and safety, they give you the situation. Option A, here's what you can do. Option B, here's what you can do. Option C, here's what you can do. And then they continue on with the scenarios. The importance of this action is that you're taking an actual company document that your employees may or may not read, especially if there are multiple pages, and you are able to create interactive scenarios for them to actually train on. All right, so now that you have this, what else can you do? If your team is visual, I would say the next step would be for you to create an infographic. So over here in the side panel, you have options for audio. You can do slideshows. You can create a video overview. You can create mind mapping and so on and so forth. So we can create an infographic. We can also create a video, a quiz. Let's go ahead and create a video for this example. All right, so for your format, you have cinematic, explainer, and brief. So let's check for the cinematic and see what we have. So now it's going to generate for us. Typically, you'll see that they'll give you feedback as to what the AI is processing, what it's doing, and letting you know it may take a few seconds, it may take a few minutes, or whatever. So we see in the bottom right-hand side, it says that it is generating. Okay, so now we have two different videos created. Let's see what we have. Over here on the right-hand side, the first one is efficiency. It is 5 minutes long.
During peak season, the warehouse floor runs on momentum. Every minute is tracked, every quota is aggressive, and when you're moving fast, stopping to fill out a checklist or wait for an approval can feel like dead weight. This chart visualizes an April 2026 internal audit of Dallas DC number 3, showing what happens when that momentum takes over. Out of 12 total compliance findings, 3 were flagged as high risk and 5 as moderate. In almost every case, the root cause was the same. Someone chose immediate speed over standard protocol. It creates a daily dilemma on the floor. When your scanner breaks or you lose a badge, you have...
All right, notice in this video, they created all of the assets for us, the video, the audio, the graphics, the text, everything, and it took less than 5 minutes. All right, now in this particular example for the video, I did not include any instructions. I just asked it to generate based off of the audit report that we initially added. So with that done, we're going to go back. In the second video, I did copy and paste the scenarios from the audit report that we put in. So let's see what this one is. Anatomy of operational failure.
Picture a modern distribution center operating at peak capacity. Thousands of units moving per hour, automated conveyors routing packages at high speed, and forklifts constantly navigating a labyrinth of massive steel racks. Maintaining that level of throughput requires strict operational discipline. To see what happens when that discipline cracks, we look at the Q1 2026 internal audit report for the Swift Ship Dallas Distribution Center number 3. The assessment reviewed facility safety, inventory controls, and information security, concluding with an official rating of needs improvement. This visualization maps the 12 total findings flagged by the compliance team. They categorized 3 as high risk, 5 as moderate risk, and 4 as low risk.
All right, so this video is 6 minutes and 45 seconds, so it's much longer than the first video, but as I said before, I copied and pasted the exact scenarios in. Notice again, it included all of my assets. It generated for me. The AI gives me audio, video, graphics, animation, and notice that it's more of an illustrative style. You can choose the style, but for this particular demonstration, I just wanted to show you what was possible without you adding the extra. So I hope that helps in your operational efficiency, and I will see you soon. Bye.